Smile! Okay, so bago yan, again, isa po sa pinakamagandang mariregalo natin kay Rona is our participation. So bago niya po i-blow ang kanyang birthday cake candle, we would like to ask everybody to please all stand. Tumayo po tayong lahat at kakantahan po natin si Rona ng isang malakas at puno-puno po ng pagmamahal na happy birthday song. But before that, everybody, when I say happy, you will say birthday. Happy? Birthday! Kaya po mas malakas dyan. Happy? Birthday! Let's sing a happy birthday song to Rona. Here we go. Music. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's do it one more time. Mas malakas! Birthday to you. Let me know. Dahil bago niya po i-blow ang kanyang birthday cake candle, isisigaw ulit natin ng malakas na happy birthday. Ready? Everybody, let's say happy birthday at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Blow! Happy 80th birthday, Rona Valdez! And now it is now time to have a piece sa iyong birthday cake. Napakaganda ng birthday cake. Happy birthday!